Self-introduction. Good morning, respected friends. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nona. I am 16 years old, and I study in your class. School name. I am very happy and honored to stand here today and speak in front of you all. I am a friendly, hardworking, and positive person. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and learning new things. One of my biggest goals is to improve my English and become a successful person in the future. I believe that every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. That is why I always try my best in my studies and respect my teachers, parents, and friends. Thank you everyone for listening to my self-introduction. I hope we can learn and grow together. Have a wonderful day.